So, Saturday morning here at Dandilofts in Germany. It's about, I don't know, 7 o'clock. Just come out to the loft to have a quick look at the young birds, how they're progressing. Now they've been weaned now, what would that be, about 10 days I suppose? Most of them. Some of them not. This little white pied here, red pied here, he was only weaned 2 days ago. So, but eating well, really, really happy with how these young birds are coming on this year. You see they're up now, having a look outside through the traps. And they're out in the aviary. Having a good look around. Some cracking young birds. How they've changed in the last 10 days. I've had a bath every day. Their parents and themselves have never seen medicines or tablets or and as you can see, they're all looking pretty good. And see today's helpings from the young birds. Definitely not looking too bad. That's it. So, all in all, Team 2022 is coming on splendidly. A nice little hen there. And actually I do have, if I could see him, I have one with 11 flights either side. It's a little blue bar. I'll maybe do a video later on that. So, thanks for your interest. And don't forget to subscribe and like, please.